Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by shutting the system down and unplugging the power cable. That prevents accidental power to the board. Once powered off, ground yourself. Use an anti-static strap or touch the case to avoid ESD damage to the GPU. Make sure the case side panel is removed and the area around the GPU is clear so you can work. Now locate the GPU's power connectors and the PCIe slot latch. You'll be ready to disconnect cables and unlatch the card. You're now at the detailed execution. First, unplug the PCIe power connectors by pressing their small latch and pulling straight out. Wriggling can damage pins. Next, remove the screws holding the GPU bracket to the case. Keep screws organized for reinstallation. Then press the PCIe slot latch on the motherboard to release the card. It may be a clip at the end of the slot. Once the latch is disengaged, hold the card by its edges and prepare to extract it evenly. With the latch released, grasp the GPU by its cooler shroud or PCB edges and pull straight out, applying steady, even force so the card clears the slot without rocking. Once free, inspect the PCIe connector and card edge for bent pins, debris, or scorch marks. Clean gently if needed. If you're storing it, place the GPU in an anti-static bag and keep screws together. If reinstalling, reverse steps. Troubleshooting tip: if the card won't seat or boot later, reset power connector.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.